Secure platform. Let's discuss about Microsoft and its customers' platforms. Microsoft has a decades-long experience building enterprise software and running some of the largest online services in the world. The guiding principle of security strategy is to assume breach. Security is built into Microsoft Business's products and cloud services from the ground up, starting with the security development lifecycle, a mandatory development process that embeds security requirements into every phase of the development process. Microsoft complies with both international and industry-specific compliance standards and participates in rigorous third-party audits that verify our security controls. In addition to this, Microsoft assists its clients with a mandatory security training and background checks. Attempts to exploit the vulnerabilities to determine whether unauthorized access or other malicious activity is possible. Microsoft performs penetration testing of its Azure environment. You can perform your normal security due diligence for your applications. Tests you can perform as a part of security vulnerabilities testing. Web Application Security Project's Top 10 Vulnerabilities. Fuzz testing of endpoints, port scanning of endpoints. Tests you can't perform as a part of the security vulnerabilities testing. Denial of service attack, a cyber attack where the perpetrator seeks to make a machine or network resource unavailable to its intended users by temporarily or indefinitely disrupting services of a host connected to the internet. Microsoft's DDoS protection service protects your Azure applications by scrubbing traffic at the Azure network edge before it can impact services availability. Microsoft's DDoS protection service like turnkey protection, adaptive tuning, alerting and insights into DDoS attack telemetry protects Azure applications by scrubbing traffic at the Azure network edge before it can impact services availability. Suspicious activities detect patterns that may indicate attempted or successful external penetration of the network as well as internal attacks. Identify gaps in your security policies and mechanisms and address those gaps to help prevent breaches. Monitor, log, and analysis systems to provide continuous visibility, timely alerts, and reports to help manage the large amount of information generated by devices and services. Shared responsibility model in the Azure services to define security and operational accountabilities. A portion of security responsibility belongs to the cloud services provider, while some belongs to the customer. Microsoft Cloud has scalable, trusted, and reliable on-premise data center. 54 Azure regions available in 140 countries, up to 1.6 Pbps of bandwidth in a region. Network security could be defined as the process of protecting resources from unauthorized access or attack by applying controls to network traffic. Azure networking, network access control, secure remote access and cross-premises connectivity, availability, name resolution, perimeter network architecture, monitoring and threat detection, Azure DDoS protection, security incident responses. A dedicated team of security specialists within the Microsoft Security Response Center performs security incident response for Azure. Go through the security incident roles and responsibilities to understand in deep. The response is implemented using a 5-stage process: detect, access, diagnose, stabilize, and close. The security incident response team may move back and forth between diagnose to stabilize as the investigation progresses.